Hello, friends. Now we are into building a software product, how to build. And we have seen the course in software engineering and learn all the things which will help in building a software product. So now we are building a software product which can be used at a commercial level. Even though we are showing only some parts of fully developed software product which can be used uh, professionally or commercially, but still it will help you to understand how we build software products. So in the first part, we saw case study. The requirement specifications, like what were the requirements and how we build those requirements. And now today we will see high level design. So So in the requirements, we saw that it should be a online application. So online means it should be web based. So there should be web pages. So at the high level, we should think about the pages. What should be the pages which should be built in the software products? So here is a diagram which shows the web pages. So it is at the component level, like each page is a component. So we have specified in the requirements that there should be a page for account creation. So there is a page, create account page. Okay, this is the component. And then when a person logins, then there is a welcome page, and there should be account balance, like a person should be able to check his balance in his bank account. So there should be account balance page, and there is a service request to be done by the user. So there is a service request page, and then there is a bill payment facility. So we should have a bill payment, and then there is a account closing page where the user can close the online access system. So that no, he no longer wishes to use the online access, so he will close his account from the online access system. So these are all the pages in OBAS 1.1. So we have all these pages. How many pages are there? One, two, three, four, five, 6 pages. Okay, and at this level, even though we do not have the complete database design, because the design will be built when we are at the detail level software design. We are at high level software design, so at this stage we can specify some sources where the data should be fetched or data should be created. So we can see some points where data needs to be created or accessed. So one point is authentication from the user database, so that the user can access the system. Okay, and then one is checking the account balance. So for that we need the account database. So there should be such facility into the database. And one is closing the account, so you should update the account database. Then when you do the service request, then the service database should be updated. Then when you pay a bill, then bill payment database should be updated. So this is all we have at this stage. So we have depicted this component diagram for OBAS 1.1. And you can see at this level the points. One is the account balance. The use case states that the user can find the account balance of his or her bank account. In the component design, the account balance page searches the account database to find the account balance for the user. Then we have service request. So the use case states that the user can request a new checkbook from the bank. the user can go to the service request page. The user selects the check issue service request from the drop down list at the service request page. When a checkbook is issued, the service database is updated. Okay, then bill payment. The use case states that the user can pay the bills using OBAS. In the component design, when the user wants to pay a bill, she goes to the bill payment page. The user selects a service provider from the list, then the user can pay the bill amount from the bill payment page. After bill payment, the user account is updated because the bill payment is done from the user account. Then we have a new account. The use case states that a user can create a new account in OWASP. In the component design, the account creation page lets the user to create his her account in the system. And then account closer. The use case states that the user can close his her online bank access account. In the component diagram, an account closer page is provided so that the user can close the account. And here is the component diagram for OWASP 1.2. So some of the things are same as OWASP 1.1. So we have the account creation page, the same as OWASP 1.1, welcome page. Then account balance page, they are the same. Then account closer page, that is also the same. Then money transfer page, this is a new component in OWASP 1.2. So the requirement is stated that there should be facility to transfer money from own account of the user to some account of other person. And then we have actually when we do the service request, so there is a one change. So here there will be two updates. One is the account database update, because this user will be paying a fee of $5, and so his account should be updated. This amount of $5 will be deducted from his account, and his account should be updated. And the same as the last time we had is service database update, because there is a new service request, so service database should be updated. Apart from these two differences, other things are the same. So OWASP 1.2 design should be like this. OWASP 1.2 has two differences as compared to OWASP 1.1. There is an additional feature for money transfer facility between any bank accounts. Account holders can transfer money from their own bank account to any other bank account. The other difference is that there is a service fee of $5 for new checkbook request. This amount will be deducted from the bank account of the account holder. And the high level design should also include data flow diagram. And here you can see the external entity is the customer or the user, and the process he uses is, one is bill payment, and where the account database will be updated. Then account balance, where the account database will be accessed, viewed. Then we have account closure process, where the account database will be updated. Then check request process, where the service database will be updated. So we have this information at the high level, and these many data will flow will happen in the OWASP 1.1. And now let us see the data flow diagram for OWASP 1.2. So most of the many things are same as in OWASP 1.1. The additional feature is there is a new process for money transfer, and it will update the account database. And when there is a check request, so now this process will update two things. It will update the service database, and it will also update the account database, because there is a fee required for new checkbook issue, and this fee has to be deducted from the user's bank account. So that is why there will be two updates in two databases. So this much about the design, and some more considerations at high level is, since it's a web-based application, so some web-based programming language should be used, and since it's a bank account access system, so there should be some login process for each user. So login page should be there where the password should be protected by using asterisk or hiding the characters, and some other things could be like at the high level could be what programming language. So some of the programming languages for web-based programming include the Java platform, where you can use Java server pages and Java components, and or either you can use C sharp if you are using Microsoft platform, or there are some many others which can be used. So that is open as of now, which language to use. But the other thing is, some client side scripts also need to be written, and some server side scripts can be used also. So from the client side scripts, we can do we can do check user validation, like when the use cases or the requirement specification is stated, like checking the user input for fields, like retype password field should match with the password field. So it can be done using client side script, because it will only check the user input at this level. We don't need to access the database. So client side script is fine for that checking. Similarly, if the user leaves input field blank, so that also needs to be validated at the client side itself. Then if some user is putting some string in input field which requires only numbers, for example the phone number, so that validation can also be done from the client side scripts, right? So all these things, and some other information, some other checking, like two three checkings which may require database access is when the user wants to pay a bill. So if the bill amount is more than the account balance of the user, in that case bill payment cannot be done, right? So it can be validated only after checking the database. So it should be a server-side script which will validate this information. Similarly, money transfer or service request, where the fee is required, $5 fee is required for new checkbook issue. In that case, again, you need to check the account balance of the user, if the account has enough funds to perform those transactions. So those can be done only through server side scripts. So this much information we need to think about at high level design. So in the next step, we will be seeing uh, how to create the user interfaces, user screens, so that the user interface design can be done. And later we will be thinking about the database and programming and middle level design, etc. So that's for now. In today's session, we will see the user interface design in our next session. So thanks for your time, and bye for now.